Hello, everyone. I welcome you to Productive Study Vlog. I repeat, productive, study vlog. Okay, today's topic is titled "A Productive Study Vlog." Okay, notes flip through, waking up at 5 a.m., endless studying, and neuroscience tips. Okay, what I'm going to really start with is this, that this video, if you're able to listen to it to the end, is going to do what is going to guarantee you everyday greatness. Okay, as a student, as a graduate, as an individual who has actually finished his academic, maybe the first phase of his or academic pursuit, this video will definitely guarantee you everyday greatness and success. I welcome you once again, to my channel, Success Strategist TV. Okay, the purpose, and mission of this channel is to gather information and data all over the world and to make this available to our viewers wherever they may be on the surface of this earth. The topic once again is productive study vlog. Okay, the truth is this, that waking up by 5 a.m. To study has some kind of maybe learning benefits, has some comprehensive or comprehension based benefits. I've discovered in the course of my research, because I've written about 6 books, and this is one of my books here. It was published in the United States. It is titled "The Seven Secrets of Chinese and Asian Students." In writing this book, I did extensive research. What I did was I had to I tried to find out, what are those study habits of intellectual celebrities, those individuals that we refer to as cognitive and intellectual giants or champions. People like the late Albert Einstein, Maria Curie, people like Elon Musk, people like Bill Gates, Professor Wole Soyinka, Dr. Mrs. May Jemison, and so on. And I've studied about 12 Nobel laureates. Okay, try to I actually try to figure out what could be those things responsible for their cognitive prowess. And it is based on this that I decided this morning to shoot this video. I also wake up 4 a.m. I belong to the 4 a.m. or the 5 a.m. A school of thought. I strongly believe that when you wake up at that moment, being an educational neuroscientist and a lecturer, I've discovered that there is something called different brain waves. We have the gamma waves, we have the theta waves, the delta waves, the alpha and the beta waves. That if you wake up in the morning around 4 or 5 a.m. to study, there are different oscillations in your brain, but basically the basic one, the most kind of uh, the predominant one in that hour has to do with the alpha, because you're just waking up from sleep. And sleep is a kind of consists of both delta and theta waves. So the alpha waves will be available for you. The environment will be so serene. And that, do not forget that the alpha wave will be available to you while you are studying that moment. And naturally your brain is going to do what is going to release a neurotransmitter called the acetylcholine. The acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter of movement. It is found in our nervous system, especially in those areas that are responsible for locomotion, for movement, for motion, etc. And it also plays a key role in learning and memory. It helps in the transfer of short-term memory into long-term memory. Whenever we're studying and we have this absorbed attention, our ability to actually concentrate increases. The possibility that we're going to really have what is called learning and study flow will become so so pronounced at that moment. The reason is because of the brainwave oscillation in our brain is basically acetylcholine. So we can use that to maximize our learning and to increase our academic performances. Okay, the waking up at 5 a.m., okay, and endless studying, okay, has to do with the fact that at that moment, okay, you're going to really have access to what I call fact. Okay, it was an acronym that I came up with, and fact actually stands for focus. Okay, A there stands for attention. The C stands, okay, for what, concentration, and T has to do with thinking, especially deep, okay, and focused thinking. And because of it is a 5 a.m., okay, endless, okay, studying, your level of arousal, your level of attention, the attentional, okay, circuit or attention circuit in our brain will definitely come online, and whatever we are reading in that moment will really stick, okay, in our brains. So one of the advantages of our studying, okay, during that 5 a.m., okay, has defined fact, has is connected to the fact that we would definitely have access, okay, the fact formula, which will definitely enhance, okay, our learning, okay, our studying, okay, session. And another thing that I want to really talk about is the role of the brain again, okay, with regard to the 5 a.m., okay, endless studying and neuroscience tips. This is it. In our brains, okay, we have, okay, between 86 to 100 billion, okay, neurons. Okay, this is a kind of an image, okay, of a brain. Okay, this is referred to as the, okay, cerebral, okay, cortex. Okay, that aspect of the brain that is responsible for higher, okay, other cognition. Okay, this part of the brain is referred to as, okay, the frontal cortex, and within this place there's another, okay, unit referred to as the prefrontal cortex. It is that aspect of the brain that is responsible, okay, for thinking, for executive planning, for for decision making, for imagination, okay, for intelligence, etc. So and also in our brain we have about, okay, I've already talked about that. Okay, the cells in our brains, okay, are referred to as neurons. Okay, this is kind of an image, okay, of an, okay, of a neuron. Okay, this gap here is referred to as synapse. Okay, this is the prefrontal, the presynaptic kind of neuron, and this is one is the postsynaptic, okay, a neuron, that the acetylcholine that I actually talked about, okay, is actually released, okay, okay, between this junction, okay, and if it is released, okay, it actually leads to heightened kind of attention. And then uh, like I said, that the neurons, okay, in our brains are referred to, okay, as sorry, the cells in our brains are referred to as the neurons. But in our brains also, okay, those neurons that are connected, okay, to studying, okay, to education, to learning, okay, and memory, they are basically referred to as concept neurons. We have different types of neurons, okay, like the Moses, okay, for example, okay, discovered, okay, the grid cells or the grid neurons. It was John, Professor John O'Keefe, okay, of University College, not London, who discovered, okay, the place cells, okay, in the hippocampus. So there are different. We have pyramidal, okay, neurons. Okay, we have the Purkinje neurons. Okay, we have the head direction neurons. Okay, and etc. But the focus, okay, of this video is just to really give you, okay, an insight into concept neurons. So whenever we are studying, okay, maybe whenever we engage in that 5 a.m. endless study, the concept neurons, okay, come online. Okay, they help us to encode whatever information that we have access to. As soon as we come across a new information, these concept neurons, okay, encode it. So the concept neurons are connected to education, they are connected to learning, okay, they are connected to academic performance. Okay, the more we commit ourselves to the 5 a.m., okay, endless studying, okay, the more robust, okay, and strong, okay, these concept neurons, okay, become. As we keep to it, as we dedicate to it, we must not forget this, that whatever thing that we know how to do, there is a neurocircuit for it. We have a neurocircuit for speech, we have a neurocircuit for sight, we have a neurocircuit for dancing, okay, for emotions, for intelligence, etc. So I'm going to actually propose this idea that definitely we also have, okay, academic neurocircuit. This academic neurocircuit is responsible for every information that is connected to semantic knowledge, semantic fact, okay, facts about mathematics, about physics, about chemistry, about economics, etc. So the more we commit ourselves to the 5 a.m. okay endless study, okay, the larger our academic neurocircuits okay become, because there is a concept in neuroscience called neuroplasticity, okay, changes okay in the nervous system. Okay, our commitment to 5 a.m. endless studying will definitely result in okay in academic neuroplasticity, and this will become the foundation and the pillar of our academic intelligence. It will help us become okay the best students okay in our class. So thank you so much okay for your time and for the fact that you've stayed with me till this moment. I have this bonus for you. Please subscribe to my channel, and as soon as you drop a comment, add your email. Okay, what I will do is that I'm going to read it and I will send you my sixth book. I have the PDF okay version. I will send it to you. Okay, thank you, and I shall see you in the next video.